Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. That's it. They're coming now. Boom. For everybody bitching, there sure is a lot of people here. Get back. There's something in my hair. Can you get it? Under a tree with a bunch of bugs. I think we're in a bad spot. Spiders.
Right here. Right there. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Stay.
Right there. There you go. Oh, look at you.
Looks like she's looking right at the camera.
Oh, I'm full. Alright, I think this is the finale, guys. People don't know how to sit still. Let me hurry up and leave because it's going to be crowded. Aw. I like it here better than over there. I like it better here than at the school. I think that's it, guys. Let's get ready to go boom, 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 boom. I don't like that truck sitting there making all that noise, though. Let's pack it up. It's over. Grumpy 1 and Grumpy 2. Grumpy 1 and Grumpy 2. Happy 4th of July. Tomorrow is the parade and the fair and the pool.
And tomorrow's when Ruby Ruby Domino's releases Squid Game Season 3 on his new game.
Tomorrow's what?
Tomorrow's when Ruby Domino's
Dominoes.
no, Ruby Domino's 52 releases his new update in Squid Game NPCs.
You're right. Exactly.
What?
Exactly. Alright, see you later. We're getting out of here.